Hi, today I'm going to share with you how video fits into your LinkedIn content strategy. Authenticity is a word used so much today that it's started to lose meaning, but it's also never been more vital to business success. Did you know video can help you show real authenticity in your LinkedIn content? It starts with recognizing that while we all have a commercial outcome in mind, we're also human and all searching for the same thing: meaningful connection. Video content performs very well on LinkedIn because it has the unique ability to build connection with your audience by tapping into all our senses and appealing to every learning style. Think about it. There's facial expression, tone of voice, music, and written words. It's an opportunity to tell your story as if you were face to face with your ideal customer. It's not the only format of content you need, but as long as humans have a role to play in our business world, there'll be a place for video content.
Want to learn how to implement a LinkedIn strategy for your business? Book your spot in the next workshop on our website, mwords.com.au.